Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. So let's begin with our today's meditation journey. Before we start with our meditation, I would like to give you some simple instructions. Keep your eyes closed all throughout the meditation. Please do not follow any mudras. Keep your palms open and in the receiving position. Whenever asked to keep both of your hands on the heart, you will place both of your hands on the center of your chest. So that is the heart chakra and not your functioning heart. And lastly, if possible, sit on the floor and follow the meditation. It's not a compulsion, but you will feel or you will get a better result if you sit on the floor and follow the meditation. For those of whom who cannot sit on the floor, you can sit on the bed or on the chair. But see to it that when you're sitting on the chair, your feet is not dangling. So if it is hanging in the air, do take a cushion to support. Your feet should touch the ground whenever you're sitting on the chair. But for those of who can follow the meditation by sitting on the ground, please sit on the floor and follow the meditation. So let's begin with our today's meditation. Thank you so much. So let's begin with our today's guided meditation. Gently close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in gently and breathe out gently. Try to center yourself in your breathing. See how the air flows through your body. One more time. Now with every breath that you take in, imagine that your breath is flowing through your spine. फक्त आणि फक्त तुमच्या श्वासावरती तुमचं लक्ष केंद्रित करायचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. आणि असं इमॅजिन करायचं आहे की तुमचा ब्रीद, तुम्ही घेतलेला श्वास हा थेट तुमच्या मणक्यातून ट्रॅव्हल करून तुमच्या स्पाईनच्या बेसपर्यंत पोचतोय. Now in this breath that we are going to take again, we are going to imagine that this breath that is flowing from your nose and entering your spine, and it is going down and connecting with the ground on which you are sitting. So take a full breath in. Imagine that it is flowing down your spine and entering the ground. One more time, take a full deep breath in. See this breath flowing through your spine and going down in the ground. Try to connect your breathing with the floor or the ground on which you're sitting. One more time, take a full deep breath in. Allow this breath to flow through your spine and enter the ground beneath you. This breathe or the breathing is the anchor that holds us on the ground. So let's try to anchor ourselves in the present. Anchor yourself in the ground so that we grow in abundance in our life. One more time, take a full deep breath in. Allow this breath to flow through your spine and enter the ground, forming roots. One more time, take a full deep breath in. Allow this breath to flow through your spine and let's push these roots even deeper this time in the ground. Let's connect to the Mother Earth this time. These roots are going to nourish us and they are going to nourish Mother Earth through us. Allow her love to flow through you. One more time, take a full deep breath in. Allow this deep breath to flow through your spine. And let's push these roots even deeper and see them getting stronger. Now take a deep breath in. Allow your breath to flow through the spine. And this time, let's bring in the love of Mother Earth through these roots that we have just grown. Feel the love flowing through your spine and connecting it with your entire being. One more time, take a deep breath in and feel this love that Mother Earth is sending to you through your roots, flowing through all of your body and your entire being. Imagine that this love of Mother Earth has helped you to heal everything in your life, and it is bringing in abundance and happiness in your life. One more time, take a full deep breath in and take this love that is coming from Mother Earth through your roots. It is flowing through your veins now. And a beautiful lotus has bloomed on your head. It's a magnificent lotus. It has just bloomed with the help of this love that you feel in your body, that Mother Earth has just sent to you. This lotus represents your being and the love of Mother Earth. Now again take a deep breath in and imagine that you're in this golden bubble, this beautiful golden light that is flowing through your body, your spine, your roots, and it's entering Mother Earth. It is healing Mother Earth. Touch both of your hands on the ground. If you're sitting on the chair, please touch your knees. दोन्ही हात जमिनीला टेकवून बसायचं आहे आपल्याला. Take this beautiful golden light in through your nose and see it flowing down your spine, going down in your roots, flowing down through your hands and entering Mother Earth. See this light healing her, helping her, See her hurt being healed through this golden light that you're trying to send to her. One more time, take a full deep breath in. Imagine this breath flowing through your nose. This breath of beautiful golden light flowing through your spine, flowing through your roots, flowing through your hands and entering Mother Earth. This light is your love for her. This light is your attempt to seek forgiveness from her. This light is an attempt to heal her. This light is an attempt to love her even more, now and forever. Thank her for her beautiful presence in your life. Give her as much love as you can. Let this love fill your heart and melt away everything that is unwanted from your very being. Take a full deep breath in. Thank Mother Earth for looking after you and nourishing you, your family. Thank her for protecting you. And when you feel complete in this dialogue with her, you can relax your hands. Take a deep breath in and a gentle breathe out. One more time. Take a full deep breath in and a gentle breathe out. Slowly and gently come back and gently open your eyes. Thank you so much.